Okay, let's unbox. I've got this courier just today from the Amazon India store, and let's see if OnePlus 6T can beat the unboxing experience of many flagship phones that are available today. It's claiming to be the flagship killer. Let's see. Okay, and this is the box with the OnePlus community branding, completely wrapped in this plastic sheet. Need to find something sharp to bring it out. Don't try anything with this blade at home, please. Okay, so here we go. The plastic wrapping is off. The OnePlus community branding is off. There's the box. There is no seal or any taping under the box. You can see it's mirror black 128 GB with some few details up here. You can see other stuff here, the price and other manufacturer details. OnePlus, unlock the speed, OnePlus 6T. Okay, so now let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so the first thing that comes to your notice is the in-screen fingerprint scanner, which is right there. You just can't miss that. Device feels pretty smooth. We'll get into that. Another in-screen fingerprint scanner branding up here. Looks hefty. Maybe there's some stuff inside that box. Some kind of invitation letter inside the box. I'm not sure what that is. Let's see. No, difficult to open. We'll try it later. The dash charger. And yeah, the amazing thing that OnePlus 6T did, got rid of the 3.5mm jack. I'm really not happy about it. They just threw a dongle in the box, just like everybody else. Well, what to do? The dash charge cable. And this is the usual dash charger, the fastest charger, apparently. Okay, so this is it, the box. Let's see what's inside this. I'm assuming there must be some case and some other reading material in here. Yes, I can see there's this case, some kind of reading material. What's in this? Yes, looks like your SIM card ejector tool, another branding for in-screen fingerprint scanner, some text written in, I think, Chinese maybe, and in English as well. Some more instructions. And that's your pin to put your SIM in this new phone. This year the cover looks pretty interesting. It's quite good quality. The edges are matte and the back is pretty glossy. But yeah, feels pretty premium. Okay, so let's delve into the phone now. This is the mirror black version. You can see the shiny black one. You can see some NFC related branding, some dual SIM related branding up here. And if you remember, there used to be this fingerprint scanner, which is now in the front screen. The logo has been shifted a little up, closer to the camera now. One of my favorite features is this OnePlus slider, the slider switch, one of the best features on the OnePlus phones. And on the other side, if you see, you get the SIM card tray, the volume rocker. And on top, there is one secondary mic, yes. And on the bottom, you see a symmetrical speaker grill. Although these are not dual speaker, but you see the dual speaker design and the USB Type-C charger, of course. That's at the bottom. Okay, so that's pretty much the device overall. Let's try to turn it on and see how it feels. So we have turned it on, and it's a typical OnePlus experience. The basic Oxygen OS with minimal apps. If I see, there are only 20-25 apps on this phone to start with, which is a very good thing. And the typical launcher from OnePlus. On the left, you see these widgets, and pretty smooth experience as usual that you expect from the OnePlus devices. They are known for this. And the change that they have done with the notch on this thing, you see, it's that dew drop, the water drop notch that you can call, that is on this phone compared to the OnePlus 6. I think this is one of the best implementations of the notch so far. Much smaller, much nicer. And at the bottom, these 3 Android buttons, of course, these can be changed through gestures. These can be changed into gestures in the settings app. We'll do a review soon of this device. Just subscribe to the channel and we'll let you know more about how these gestures work, how the user interface is, how the experience of this device overall is, what's the build quality like. Now, if I compare this with a Samsung phone, these 2 devices look very similar to each other. In terms of build quality, the glass back and the feel, the hand feel of these 2 devices very similar. And the foothold, or what you call it, the footprint of both these 2 devices is also very close to each other. Let's compare it with a few other devices. Let me bring in the Note 9 and a Pixel 3 XL. So if you see, this device is somewhere closer to the Pixel 3 XL and the S9 Plus. Of course, Note 9 is much bigger device and hence it is a difficult thing to handle, but OnePlus it feels pretty handy. And from behind also you can see it's much closer to the experience or the user feel of the S9 Plus and the Pixel 3 XL. We have done the unboxing and we are in the process of building a review for you guys of how the OnePlus 6T feels. Subscribe to our channel if you want to know more about OnePlus 6T. We'll give you more details and every detail possible.